Namaste. Now, today in this video, let us verify the relation between arithmetic mean, geometric mean, and harmonic. Let A and B two positive numbers, distinct positive numbers. They are not equal. Then arithmetic mean of two numbers. Arithmetic mean is nothing but average, sum of observation upon number of observations. Next, geometric mean. It is under root of A times B. Harmonic mean, if A and B are in harmonic mean, 1 by A and 1 by B are in arithmetic mean. We have to take average. So what you are going to get? We have to write the reciprocal of the averages. So like this it will be. So what you are going to get finally? Twice AC upon A plus B. Here B is C. Twice AB upon A plus B. Then only A and B are in harmonic mean. Okay. Now we try to establish the relation. First normal equation will get. First we'll multiply arithmetic mean and harmonic mean. What we will get, we'll see. A plus B upon 2 times twice AB upon A plus B. See, A plus B we can cancel. 2 we can cancel. So AB we got. And if you see the value of G square under root of AB whole square. So what you are going to get? Same AB, no? So these two are equal. So first result what we got is arithmetic product of arithmetic mean and harmonic mean will be equal to square of geometric mean. This is the first equation we obtain. Okay. Even we can find some other results. Geometric mean G square means G into G we can write. So A upon G, how much we'll get? G upon H. This is another condition. Now we will establish which is more or which is less, we'll compare. How we can do that? So first let me find the difference of A minus G. See, arithmetic mean we know A plus B upon 2. Geometric mean A times B under root of. So if we cross multiply, what we are going to get? A plus B minus twice under root of A upon B. Okay, by 2. So still we can simplify further this one. What I will do now? I will write as this under root of A whole square. This one under root of B whole square. Minus 2 under root of A into under root of B we can write. This under root of 2 whole square I can write. This one is how much? It is in the form of A square plus B square minus 2AB. Then this is nothing but A minus B whole square. Here root 2 whole square is there. So what you can write all together? By 2 whole square. See, square of any quantity will always be positive. So this is greater than 0. So what we got? Square of any number, no, is always positive. A minus G is greater than 0. So A is greater than G, or A by G is always greater than 1. So this is another equation like that we think, 3. But in second condition, what we have proved? 1 minute. Second, A by G and G by H are equal. So what you can do from 2, if A by G is greater than 1, then G by H is also greater than 1. This implies G upon H is also greater than 1. How we wrote means from 2. This already we have proved. Then what it will tells? Okay, G is greater than H. When A and B are distinct number, we can tell arithmetic progression is greater than geometric progression, and geometric progression is greater than harmonic progression. When A and B are distinct numbers. Okay, suppose if A and B are equal, then what happens? Suppose, one second. Suppose if A and B are equal, then A minus G value. A minus G we have already calculated, we got this. If A and B are equal, then what you will get? Here you will get 0. That implies A equal to G. Okay. And if A equal to G, then what you can say about A upon G? That equal to 1. And A upon G is equal to G upon H from 2. So this is also 1. So what you can say? G equal to H. So if A and B are same numbers, see, then two numbers are same means arithmetic mean or geometric mean or harmonic mean, when they will be equal means when the two numbers are same. Okay. If the two numbers are distinct, then arithmetic mean will be greater than geometric mean, and geometric mean will be greater than harmonic mean. This is the relation. Thanks for watching.